Use Project Media to add images, videos, websites, and Google Files in the workspace. To view current project media, hover over the Project Media icon in the Knowledge Library. Click to add new media. You can upload files from your hard drive or paste the URL of an image, video, website, or Google file. The media will be added to the Knowledge Library. Click the checkbox on the media thumbnail you want to add to the workspace. Then, click the blue Add button to add it to the workspace. You can resize images by clicking on the corner of the image and dragging the image to the desired size. You can remove media from the workspace by right-clicking or using two-finger click and selecting Remove Media. The removed media won't be deleted from the Knowledge Library. To delete media from the Knowledge Library, select the Media checkbox and click Delete. All supporting media added while creating components and events will also be added to Project Media and can be viewed and reused in the Knowledge Library.